Welcome everyone. Today I want to introduce the release of our image forensics tool called FalconLens. It's available currently right now on the Rapid API platform for easy access. So what I just want to go over is here's the kind of basic page, and I will link all of this in the description to this video, as well as post the HTML code for you to run a GitHub gist for you to easily download and run yourself. All you have to do is sign up for a Rapid API account, subscribe, and then use your Rapid API key to run this. The benefits are this is a image authenticity detection tool, but it can give you insight into whether an image has been manipulated or whether an image gives signs of manipulation or not. So that's kind of one of the key metrics for us building this. If you go to this page, it basically discusses the problem, the pervasive threat of image manipulation. This can kind of coincide with your efforts for deepfake identification to kind of, get the understanding of, okay, is this image real, or, has it been manipulated in some, shape, form, or fashion? So let's get started. Right here, I have this HTML page set up, basic page. Then I'll go into pull the images that we have that we'll be using for this tutorial. So here's a basic image that we're going to test for manipulation. And we just run it through, it's connecting, and it responds back, right? So here are the three analysis that we use: the error level analysis, the chromatic aberration, as well as the shadow analysis. And, you can kind of detect, so manipulation likelihood high, it shows that here, gives the score of a 90, gives the score of shadow analysis a 90 as well. Here's the shadow intensity variance. It talks about all of that. One of the benefits go into a comparative analysis. So if you do have the original image, you could put that here. And then if you have an image that you want to kind of determine, has this image been altered in any shape, form, or fashion? What it does is it runs the same thing. And then, so you're seeing the chromatic aberration comparison. And right here, it tells you that the images are actually different images with a confidence score of 82. There's the analysis right there. The others are similar to the previous analysis. The only difference is the hash was added to compare. And there you have it, FalconLens Advanced Image Forensics Solution by FalconsAI. Thank you for your time. 125.